Hey there, I'm back. This is Ginger, the old Bohemian Gypsy, with part two of Let's Make Envelopes, and this is a show and tell. I finished the other two and added some more to the first two, and then the one, the second one that we made, that I made on camera, I changed that up a little bit too. So I put them in a little packet like this, and this is how they'll go out to her. And I've just got them here tied with some organza ribbon. That just comes right off. Now here's the first one that we did, and I can't remember if I had added the bling or not, but I added the bling. I've also sewn them. They're all sewn now. Here's the closure. On this one, I added this little cameo picture, and that picture is from the Vintage Lady tags from Shabby Dabby Doodah. If you can see that. I hope it's focusing. There we go. And then it just opens up. You can see now it is in the form of an envelope now. And I've done some gold gelding with, wonder how I managed to miss that. Well, anyway, I'll have to go back to the sewing machine. I remember what I did. I started to sew it while they were flat, and then I put them together, and that because I saw that there, I guess I figured I had done it, so I'll just go back with some straight stitching and catch that. Oh, goodness, go figure. Anyway, I've done the gold gilding. I don't know if you can see that all over or not. Kind of see. And sort of on the wings of the butterfly. I don't know if it's showing, and I even put some on the flower. And what I use is Deco Arts metallic luster, and this is the Gold Rush. Beautiful stuff. I just love it. Even if it dries out, you just add water and it's good to go again. It's just wonderful stuff. I have every color under the sun that they make. Okay, that's the first one. Now here's the second one. And I don't know if I did the bling or not either, but I know I may have added these. I'm not sure. But I added some lace here. On this side, I've added the book corners on the bottom here, the metal book corners. Oh, and there I think you can see the gold gilding on the wings of the butterflies. On the back side, I did some more lace, and that just pops open, and there we go. There's our number 2 envelope. So, and here's number 3 that I completed by myself, not in a video. And same thing, gold gelding. This is a flower image from Shabby Dabby Doodah, the Fabulous Flowers, I believe. And this is from one of her digis, as is the faux stamp. And I took the gold gelding and I gilded on the raised areas. I also went and did some pink on it. And on the back side, I did on the not the raised surfaces, but the sunken in images. I did the pink on that. And then again, more gold luster. I don't know if it's showing that very good or not. Anyway, there's a tab closure on this, or a ticket closure on this one. That just pops up, and again, there we go. Another finished envelope. I use this lace. I have, this is very vintage lace. I got it at at my favorite thrift shop. And I don't know where it came from, but it was in strips. There was a whole bunch of it. And it's already started to discolor and everything. So, excuse me, I know it's old. There's more lace on the back here. some lace here, and some lace here. And this is a different style of butterfly, and that's in one of her kits as well, as is the label and the faux stamp. And I just put some calico. It's kind of a coffee color calico. Yeah, I haven't coffee dyed it, but I did distress it a little bit. And another one of those flat back pearls. They're kind of in a, oh, that's kind of a coffee color, iridescent as well. Excuse me, my voice seems to be disappearing. Maybe I did too much talking earlier. Oh, I can talk, I'll tell you. And this is envelope number 4. And what I have done with this one is I have, see if I can get this up here just right, a doily. It's a coffee dyed doily. I put the metal corners on this one. They're the flat corners. They're not like the book page protectors. They're just flat for decoration. Another one of the faux stamps, and I colored this has kind of got a greenish tinge to it, and the color of the butterfly was cream, and so I colored it in with pink distress ink. And then here's a little flower. It was cream, and I pinked that up a little bit. And oh, what's the color called? Vintage photo. Yeah, vintage photo. And then this is another one of those 3D butterflies you can see there with the bling and the bling. And you flip it over, and on this side I've got some of that lace that I just got from AliExpress. And I grunged it up a little with some of the vintage photo, and the distress pink that I used is picked raspberry. Another some flowers from the Fabulous Flowers kit from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Some more of those flat back pearls, another bling, and then these flat back pearls, they're connected, and I have a huge roll of that. And I also got those from AliExpress. And then I did some gold gilding on this one as well. And this is a ticket for one of the kits, and I cut out a big butterfly, fussy cut, and put that on there. And then this one is a little tougher to open. But there you go, there is that envelope. So that is my envelopes that I'm going to enter for the drawing for Boho Daydreams. I thought they came out pretty good. I'm happy enough to send these off, and she's filmed every set of envelopes she gets, so you can take another look at them with her if you're interested in that. So these will be going off to her tomorrow, and I'm just under the bell. Thank goodness. I was able to get it done, and I'll get them posted. I'll make the postage tonight and pay for that, and off it'll go. So thank you guys so much for watching. And when I have more time, I could do more envelopes. I have a stash of envelopes. When I originally thought I was going to do this, I picked a whole stack of them. That what I thought I might, pick out from. And I've got this one here that's been coffee dyed with, the pan with the little holes in it. I've got that. That's quite a large envelope. Here's a junk envelope that I turned wrong side out. And then this is just a coffee dyed cream colored envelope. Here is an embossed envelope with flowers just on the one side that I pulled out. Here's one. When I coffee dyed it, I laid a doily on there. And here's another one with a doily and embossing across this section. I don't know if you can see that, the embossing. There we go. On that one. And another one of these, same size as that other little one. And what I do with these is I just take them and grunge them up. I want to show you guys that they look like they're real envelopes. They've been, tucked away in somebody's trunk somewhere for years and years. And here's another one. Here's a yellow one that has been embossed. You can see the embossing there. This one, I thought I was actually going to use it before I decided to make my own, and I'd already stamped on there. And a green one, coffee dyed green one. Here's another coffee dyed. And here are some, let me go through those last and kind of show you these first. This is an envelope that came with something. I can't remember what. And I know it's part of this. Well, let's see here. Yes, that's right. These are some religious, like with sympathy cards that I had ordered. So I saved this envelope because I thought it was just gorgeous, and I can, do something on the back here to cover that up. And this was one of the envelopes that came with one of the cards. And so I have that I can turn into one. This is just paper. I think it goes with this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it goes with this. This was like a stationery set. So here's this envelope with the same kind of design that's on there. And then it's got those pansies on the flap. And this one I thought I could just, shape it into an envelope and maybe make one that way as well. Here's a junk mail envelope that I actually printed some digital image that I did, and I thought it could be cut down with the windows. Here's another window envelope that I had printed directly on, and another one. This is my favorite design here, and I thought maybe I could even cut that down as well, not have it quite so large. And then the other piece I could turn into something for a journal or something. So I had pulled all of those envelopes. You can see I'm not lacking for envelopes. And I can do another one sometime, and we can do, here's one that, this is made out of a book page, and I just decoupaged a napkin on there and turned that into the shape of an envelope. Here we go, like this. I wasn't happy with the flap being so short, but I can still do something with that. So you can see there's all of those, and I've taken envelopes, and this was one of those long ones. I just resized it and turned it into a little envelope that I'm going to use in a journal. And then I've got, let's see, what else have I got? Here's some more that I cut down that are not finished yet, or sewn or anything. I cut them down to do something with. There's another one. Oops, let's not go with that. And this is just a front. So, like I said, I am not lacking for envelopes, and I would like to do another tutorial. And here's a CD envelope, and I've attached together. What I want to do is insert it on a page in a journal. Let me see, I can pull out one that I kind of had started here a while back. And so what I thought I could do is take, and when they're closed like this, and then it will just, you can either go like this on a page, or I can put it in around and have, one on each side, which is probably what I'll do. And I just attached it together with that surgical tape and a little glue to make sure. And that's just some of the kind of stuff that I get in my head to do and do it. So yeah. Yeah, I started that. I have a bunch of blank journals like that that I kind of got ready to go. And so that is that for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll be back again soon because, like I said, excuse me, I'm starting to work on those journals. And I'll do some of it on camera. I won't do all of it because I'm very slow moving on camera for some reason. I can't, like I said, I can't. Uh, I'm one of those that can't walk and chew gum at the same time type of a person. So when I'm crafting, I can't talk about just some nonchalant and um, that kind of conversation. That's why I could never do live. It wouldn't work for me. So anyway, again, thank you guys. Thank you very, very much. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe. And if you hit that little bell next to where it says subscribe, you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you next time. Toodles for now. Bye bye.